Hello guys. Okay, today let me show you how you can use Android app on your Windows system. So easy using BlueStack. So let me show you. Go to Google, search BlueStack, download it, go to their website, download BlueStack to run, open the content. Yes, install BlueStack. So once it's done, go to Play Store, sign in your Play Store account, enter your Gmail. Once you're done with the signing, wait for it to load. Accept. Take it to App Store. So you can download any app you want. Let's say Candy Crush. Install. So it's done. Play. So you can play the game. I hope I can help you one way or the other. So you can ask any question in the comment section. Follow for more. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.